Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Kadena, currently trading around $1.21. Is the real rally over for Kadena? Right now altcoins are pumping to the upside. In 2023 Kadena is up more than 34.9% in the last 1 month, but we're seeing some altcoins dump on a daily time frame, and we're still deep into gobbling town on a yearly time frame. So is the real rally over for Kadena already? Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town? How long will it take us to get to that $2.32 level? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Kadena US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Kadena's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Kadena's market cap, which currently sits around $261 million. How long will it take Kadena's market cap to rally back to the $1 billion region? Is the relief rally over for Kadena as we have hit major resistance right now? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Altcoins are known to be very volatile. We started 2023 with volatility sending us to the upside. We saw altcoins pumping to higher prices in 2023. But that's a huge contrast from what we saw with altcoins in 2022. We saw a lot of these altcoins dump to gobbling town. In the case of Kadena, it's still down 78.4% on a yearly time frame. Is the relief rally over for Kadena right now? We have seen Kadena dump really well in this bear market, going from as high as $27.9, dropping to as low as $0.8, losing more than 97.13% of its value in this bear market. We saw Kadena in November 2022 drop to a very critical support level where Kadena has had interactions with in the past. We saw Kadena have interactions with that $0.8 region in October 2020. We saw Kadena have interactions with that $0.8 region in September 2020 before we started pumping to new all-time highs in September 2021, and we came in November 2022 to catch a bounce of those lows. But that's what you expect in the bear market, altcoins dumping to gobbling town. We had a huge bull run for Kadena. Kadena was one of the huge performance. By the end of the previous bull run, Kadena went from as low as $0.12 pumping to as high as $29. In just 300 days, Kadena went up more than 22,000% to the upside. But guys, in the bear market, the opposite of what happens in the bull market is what we're seeing. Kadena has been dumping to gobbling town, and even though we're excited about this relief rally, it looks as if the market is taking the chill pill. If you go on a daily time frame, we have seen that all coins have had a little pullback. Is the rally over? Can we continue pumping to higher prices, or was this just a dead cat bounce and we're going to start dumping to gobbling town? Those decisions are going to be made if Kadena can blast above the $1.3 level. We have seen Kadena get rejected off that level, and we might just see it come back to test the $0.78 region. If we cannot blast above the $1.3 region, guys, we might see Kadena just coming back to set new lows in this bear market. In a bear market rally, you expect Kadena to pump to the upside to make people form very bullish. In the bear market rally, we expect Kadena to pump to the upside, get people very bullish, thinking we're pumping to higher prices. If we can blast above that $1.3 level, the next level where I see Kadena having some difficulties as we're pumping to the upside will be around that $2.3 region. Kadena has had some major reactions to that level in the past, and I don't think we're going to blast through that level. I think we'll take a chill pill at that level. But before we get there, this $1.3 level is the line in the sand. If we see altcoins continue dumping to gobbling town in this bear market right now, the rally might just be over. Let's not forget, we've seen this kind of rallies happen for Kadena as we're dumping to gobbling town. We saw one of these such rallies happen in January 2022 when Kadena went up more than 140%. But guys, what happened after that rally? We started dumping to gobbling town. We saw Kadena drop a lot in just a very short amount of time. Kadena went from as high as $10.5, dropping to as low as $1.3 in just 93 days. Kadena lost more than 86% of its value. With altcoins, things can happen very quickly, and right now we have to pay close attention to that $1.3 level. Deep in the bear market, if you want to be accumulating some Kadena for yourself, getting ready for the next bull run, in the bear market is where you want to be doing that right now that we're deep in gobbling town, because for Kadena to go back to the previous all-time high what we set in November 2021, this altcoin will have to pump up by more than 2,200%. So right now, deep in the bear market, smart investors are accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. But more importantly, you don't want to go all in when you're buying these altcoins. As I told you guys earlier in the video, altcoins are very, very volatile, and that's why we like altcoins. Even though they can dump to gobbling time in the bear market, and even though they can keep dumping, even when you think the bottom is in, when we see the market go back to a bullish momentum, when we see the market pumping to the upside, we are going to see these altcoins pumping, recovering the losses we made in the bear market, and even probably setting new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. The highest I see Kadena going in this relief rally is around that $6 region. By the end of the next bull run, guys, I expect to see Kadena pumping to new all-time highs, blasting above the $29 region, maybe getting to as high as 100, maybe just getting to as high as $116. So if you're buying some Kadena for yourself in anticipation for the next bull run, remember there's going to be a lot of pumps along the way. There's also going to be a lot of dumps along the way. But if you don't lose sight of your target, which is the end of the next bull run, we see Kadena trading above $100, you are going to survive all the dumps and you're going to be shouting kumbaya, because you're going to get your next 50x, maybe your next 100x coin if you can hold on till the end. If you take a look at some details about Kadena, in the last 1 month, we have seen this altcoin go from as low as $0.85 to as high as $1.32. With a market cap of $261 million, Kadena has a fully directed market cap of $1.2 billion, and we only have 22% of the maximum supply in circulation. Kadena has a total supply of over 1 billion coins, rank 123 on coin market cap, with over 292,000 people having Kadena on their watch list. Kadena is a proof-of-work blockchain that combines the proof-of-work consensus mechanism from Bitcoin with directly acyclic graph principle to offer scalable versions of Bitcoin. Kadena claims it provides the security of Bitcoin while being able to offer unparalleled throughputs that make blockchain usable to enterprise and entrepreneurs alike. If you want to get some KDA for yourself in the bear market, if you're getting ready for the next bull run and you believe we'll see Kadena pumping above $100 by the end of the next bull run, if you're a long-term investor accumulating right now deep in the bear market, you can get some Kadena on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bittrex, on Gate.io, on OKX, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Kadena's performance against Bitcoin, it's behaving exactly how you expect it to behave in a bear market. I've taken a look at this chart quite a number of times on this channel, and we noticed that during the bear market, you expect all coins to continue dumping to gobbling down against Bitcoin. But when the bull market comes around, we see them pumping to the moon. In the previous bull market, Kadena outperformed Bitcoin in the last 99 days by over 600. In the last 99 days of the previous bull run for Kadena, we saw it outperforming Bitcoin by more than 6,000% in just 99 days. But since then, Kadena has been dumping to gobbling town. Since then, we have seen Kadena lose more than 87% of its value against Bitcoin. We might continue dumping to gobbling town if this relief rally is over, because guys, in the bear market, as all coins are dumping to gobbling town, we've noticed that Bitcoin always performs better than these altcoins. Ethereum also performs better than them. So you might see Kadena continue dumping to gobbling town both against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even if the rally continues and altcoins are pumping to the upside, if Bitcoin and Ethereum continues outperforming this altcoin, you might see it continue dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if we're pumping to the moon, always remember that at some point in time in the future, we are going to dump to gobbling town. In the crypto market, you have to be comfortable with all the pumps. You also have to be comfortable with all the dumps, because we're going to get a lot of dumps along the way. If you take a look at Kadena's market cap, which rose to as high as $4.4 billion at the top of the bull run, we saw the market cap slowly dump to gobbling town, getting to as low as $160 million by November 2022. It took Kadena around 1 year to finish that dump to gobbling town. Right now, as we're rallying, we've rallied from the $162 million region, we've rallied back up to around $266 million, and Kadena is currently at a very crucial resistance level. We've hit that resistance, we're consolidating. If we can blast above this $261 million region, we might see Kadena heading back to that $500 million region on its market cap. But if we cannot head that high, we might just continue dumping down to gobbling town and probably even setting a new low. But for long-term investors, that will be music to your ears. Kadena has strong support around the $112 million region. Maybe, just maybe, that's the next level we're going. If Kadena is going there, we have to see it drop an additional 53%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think is currently happening right now for Kadena in this relief rally? Do you think the rally is over as we have hit major resistance, or are we just taking a chill pill before we continue pumping to the upside? Are you still buying some Kadena right now deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Always remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.